So we have the '09 Audi A4 Quattro. So this one has a massive oil consumption, and we know that this one has the outdated pistons in it. So basically we're just gonna separate the engine, tear it down to a million pieces, and pretty much do a complete overhaul on it. The customer, which is right here, Charles, he contacted us and he asked for a full engine rebuild. So I guess he bought this car twice. It's kind of special because it's stick shift and a Quattro. So
originally I bought this car in Illinois. I was in the military and it was a manual, so I hadn't heard too many of the V8s have the manual, so I said, hey, I gotta have it. So I bought it with 119,000 miles on it. And I got to about 120,000. I figured out that it had oil consumption issues. So I decided, well, I guess I'm gonna sell it, and sold it to an uncle. He kept it, and then I said I want my car back. So it's a manual, had to have it back, and decided, well, need to take to the man, the Ninja, to get it diagnosed and working properly. That way I can at least drive it and enjoy it. So
this one comes with a treat. I didn't even notice this. Termites.
Yeah.
So this is my car, obviously. We looked at the trunk with a painter, and it's fixable, but it's way easier and cheaper if we replace the whole thing. So called LKQ, and they had one, the same color actually. The new one we have, or the salvage we got, is pretty scratched, so still needs to be resprayed now. So I'm just gonna put it on, and whenever our buddy Dallas is free to spray it, then we'll take it to him and he will take care of it. You got to love salvage yards. I think I just bought another car. That one is going to be for sale after it's fixed. So we'll talk in the future.
Are you caught up with me now?
With you, I already passed you. I think I'm getting caught up with Tyler Hoover.
No, this side's not done.
That side neither.
Okay.
John.
You're welcome.
I mean, the color is dead on. Just need to adjust the gaps a little bit. Once we separate this, we're going to make sure that the clutch is good, because if it's not, now will be the time to put the clutch in it. So we'll start right now. Okay, this turbo has some play on the wastegate, so I'm going to see if I can fix it instead of replacing it. So looks like you guys use good gas. They're pretty clean.
Are they?
Mm-hmm. So good job on that. Me and John right now are about to separate the transmission from the engine, and then we're gonna put the engine on the engine stand on the rotisseries.
Okay, so it's doing an oil change at 540?
Yeah.
Okay.
The last oil change is done by Bavarian, by Mayer.
What size is it?
Which one?
Is it 16?
Oh, I got him right here.
Oh.
Yeah, it's very deep. You have to use this stuff.
Mm.
And I have the impact right here with an extension right here.
Okay.
Yeah. One screw down.
Oh,
That's fine. Why would you have bolts on the flywheel? Like a manual, like a automatic transmission.
ready?
Yes? Did it break loose?
Yeah.
Question is how many bolts there in there? Probably 6.
You think?
Yeah.
There's one.
Okay, what's your fingers?
Yep.
Let me know when to stop.
Stop.
Is it maxed out?
See.
We can bring this in now. Now then pull the
Pull that out. Yeah.
flywheel so we can put the thing here. So we just got the engine separated, and quite honestly I never seen this design. To me it's dumb as hell. It goes in here, see that? The
Yep.
axles that have to come out. That's so freaking dumb. This is so freaking dumb, man, I swear. You have to undo this.
And then bump them out.
Yeah, I'm speechless right now, so give me a minute. I don't even know what to check for. I mean, I have to read about it. I don't even know. Looks like this axle is on the way. And like I said, there's no instructions on my old data, so I have to figure out this one the hard way.
I'm glad I didn't have to do it. That's all I'm gonna have to say.
Lucky you, huh? Earlier I just finished putting on the clutch. I guess I just complained for nothing because this is the easiest clutch is to replace ever. So what you do, there is 3 screws here for the axle. This one comes out and this whole thing's, it's one piece, it's so easy. And then on the back you have about 6 screws for the pressure plate. Separate that and put new clutch in it. Very, very easy. So after it's all back together, I realized I just complained for nothing. So I'm just overreacting a little bit. So, and then on the back you have about 6 screws for the pressure plate. Separate that and put new clutch in it. Very, very easy. So I guess I bitched for nothing. So I guess I complained for nothing. You cannot say bitch, right?